Hey everyone, this is Naren and welcome back to a new session of English with me. Has been, had been. This is a common mistake that we make when we speak English. Not only you, even I sometimes mix up has been and had been because they are both used in cases of past. Both are used in past situations. So how can you use has been and had been properly in English? That is what we are going to see in this video. Has been, had been. Before talking about those, let's talk about have been because it comes under the same category, but we tend to mix up has been and had been often, not have been. But let's see what is have been. Have been is similar to has been, but it is used only with I, you, we, they. An example for have been is, I have been studying English for the past 2 years. In this situation, I started studying in the past and is still continuing. I did not stop it. In such situations, we use have been, started in the past and is still continuing. So that is have been. Now let's look at has been. Has been is used to talk about anything that started in the past and it is still true. You might be a little bit confused. I'll explain in detail with examples. But before that, keep this in mind. Has been is only used with he, she, it and also with names like James or the cat. In such situations only we use has been. He, she, it and with names. Let's look at some examples of has been. She has been working here for 2 years. She has been working here for 2 years. She started working 2 years ago and still she is working here. Now, still she is working here. Another example, the dog has been barking since morning. The dog has been barking since morning. It means the dog has been barking from morning. From the morning it started barking and it's still barking or it recently stopped barking. So think of has been as something that is still connected to the present. It started in the past but it is still there somewhere in the present. It's there in the present situation. Now let's look at had been. Had been is used to talk about something that was true in the past and is not true anymore. It was true in the past but is not true now. You usually use had been when it has two situations in it and one situation is related to the past. I know it's a bit tricky here too. We'll look at some examples and understand about it. Had been examples. She had been working here for 2 years before she moved to another city. She had been working here for 2 years before she moved to another city. Here, she worked here for 2 years, but not now. Now she moved to another city. It was true in the past, but now she is not working here. She moved from here. So, working here is something happened in the past. Before moving to another city, she worked here. So, when talking about something in the past, we use had been. Next example, the dog had been barking all morning before it finally slept. The dog had been barking all morning before it finally slept. In this situation, the dog has been barking in the morning. It means the dog was barking in the morning, but now it slept. It is not barking anymore. Now the dog is not barking. It happened in the past. So when talking about such situation, we use had been. Think about had been as something that is true in the past but isn't true anymore. In the present, it is not true or it is not happening in the present. So, what you understood from this? Have been and has been is almost similar, but have been is used with I, you, we, they. Has been is used to talk about past, something that is also continuing in the present but is only used with he, she, it and with names. Now, had been. Had been is used in the past, only in the past. A situation that is only in the past and not continuing in the present, and it is used with all the things like I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Had been is used with everything. In had been, you only have to look for the situation, whether it ended in the past or not. If it ended in the past, then you can say it is had been. And if it's still continuing in the present, you have to look whether the sentence start with I, you, we, they, he, she, or with any names. So guys, this is all about have been, has been and had been. Now it's your turn. I'll give you some sentences and you have to fill in the blank where have been or had been or has been is used. Melody dash my music teacher for past 5 years. Melody dash my music teacher for past 5 years. This store dash closed for 3 years. This store dash closed for 3 years. The cat dash quiet all morning. The cat dash quiet all morning. They dash driving since noon. They dash driving since noon. So guys, this is all for today. Don't forget to comment down your answers below. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.